Yo, welcome back to the channel, guys.
Our
Most awaited.
our favorite show is back.
अबे कैसा दोगला इंसान है, कल भी यही बोला माँ कसम के लिए. लंबा वीडियो है, don't want to take too much time. Very awaited show with Rohan. At least we get 3 में से एक AIB members and also Abhish and Kaniz, who used to be sometimes in the videos as well.
Right.
AIB videos. So yeah, very excited for it. It's a long one. Bring your food and watch along. Let's see.
Let's go.
लेफ्ट में देखा बड़ा ग्रीन पूरा का पूरा जो है प्लॉट है एक. हाँ जी जहाँ मैनग्रोव्स भी हैं. हमने सब सफा चट कर दिया. सर नेचर का क्या करना है. मैं तो कहता हूँ इंसान की नेचर जो है ना वो होनी चाहिए सही. पर आप मुझे एक बात बताओ, ग्रोव से पहले क्या आता है. मैन ना. तो बंदा मैन की सोचेगा या ग्रोव की सोचे. ओके जी ओके.
हेलो सर. हेलो.
चाय या कॉफी.
चाय.
+10. बड़ा तगड़ा फैन हूं भाई मैं आपके शो का है.
थैंक यू सो मच.
नोट तो बन रहे हैं, छप रहे नहीं. मैंने सुना है कि सोलंकी के आप सारे ब्रांड खा गए हो.
सर क्या बात कर रहे हैं सर.
यार आप ना ये यही जो है ना ये यस बहुत करते हो नहीं. मेरे हिसाब से यस बैंक को आपका स्पॉन्सर होना चाहिए. +20 पर भी. आप कुछ सोचो, मुझे भी बुलाओ कभी शो में है.
सर 2.5 BHK की बात कर लें.
बजट क्या है ये दो. आप इस पे लिखो, मैं आंखें बंद करके बैठा. अपने इमोशन से लिखो. क्या लगता है भाई, क्या लगता है. एक मिनट. ऑप्शन ए, क्या मैं फुद्दू लगता हूं. ऑप्शन बी, मेरी बीवी जो मेरे साथ है वो सिर्फ मेरी लुक्स की वजह से है.
बी.
अच्छा देख, पीपीटी तुमसे बनती नहीं है. घर बनाने निकले हो तुम.
सर लेकिन पर
खड़ा हो जाते. आ जाते हैं मुंह उठा के. कुछ बड़ा करो 2.5 BHK के लिए.
बड़ा करके दिखाऊंगा सर.
और छोटे चाय नहीं लानी. और वो जो अपना लोखंड वाला फ्लैट है वो केवी को दे दो.
Very AIB like sketch.
हाँ, I know.
Just before the AIB.
बोलने वाला था वो एक काफी.
Honest realtor.
Hello and welcome to Damensh presents The Nation Wants to Guess. Yes. All right, we are India's most unserious comedy quiz show जहाँ पे राइट आंसर को मिलता है +10 and applause break को मिलता है +20. Show me the applause break. Yes. Today's episode is sponsored by someone who is loved by 25 million Indian men.
Really? इतने लोग को.
I'm not talking about Sonam Bajwa. I'm talking about Damensh. Yes. The most premium.
Sorry, sponsor. Segment बड़ा रहा.
All right, let us straight away introduce today's panel. All right.
I'm sure Abhish को और penis reference देने वाला है. क्योंकि I think वो खंबा का ही penis बना था.
अच्छा.
If I remember correctly.
उसमें AIB के वीडियो पे बना.
हाँ तो obviously और किस में बनेगा.
अरे मेरे को लगा कुछ बाकी भी करता नहीं है इसीलिए.
अबे नहीं, वो इतना famous sketch था जिसमें ये था वो कुछ नहीं.
Our first panelist has played a lot of roles in his life: comic, talk show host, improv artist, husband, friend, roommate. But my favorite role will be when he played Varun Thakur's penis
Oh, Rahul Thakur, sorry.
Please give it up for the short and sweet Abish Matthew.
I do remember के खम्बा करना.
Abish Matthew back for revenge. Yes. He was in our first episode. He couldn't win, but very happy to have you, Abish. Let us introduce you to our second panelist. Our next panelist was born in South Africa. She found success in the US and has a huge fan base in India. I'm not talking about Elon Musk. Please give it up for Kanis Purkar. नहीं all right. Once you're done. All right, our final panelist is a host I'd like to roast and also my former colleague.
Let's go.
Controversy.
He knows so much about pop culture that Tolkien calls him my precious. Give it up for Rohan Joshi.
One of the best guests for any show,
Yeah.
to be honest.
Yeah.
So you catch on it.
I was making it easier. Making it easier.
All right, and with this panel, we are back in 2016, ladies and gentlemen.
The height difference is crazy.
The collective age of this stage is 210 years. I have calculated.
Yes, but thank you very much, Rohan. Kanis, this is the first time you guys are on the show. Kanis, I want to start with you. Who do you think is your biggest competitor in this game?
You.
Why?
No, I'm just joking. I just think, there's no competition. We're here to have, like, a general fun time, you know? Like, we're just here to have, like, a general fun, play games, do a show.
I just want to say I already have the winning position from my time. Jose was standing right here and he won.
Oh.
So I chose this place. So there's no way you guys are going to win. I mean, you can come second, but you can go home. No, but I love you.
Rohan, who is your biggest competitor? Abish or Kanis?
Myself always, Khamba, you know. Always,
Wow.
always. Because, you know, I mean, I hate myself more than anybody else. That's the important thing. But honestly, I'm just really happy to be here because I didn't think that, you know, the next time Abish, you and I would be standing in a docket like this would be on a game show. This is, you know, like, it's going to be really difficult to not call you Your Honor throughout the show.
I mean, it does look like a witness stand also, in a way.
All we need is Samay and this trifecta is complete. Yes. All right, are you guys ready to play round one of Nation Wants to Guess?
Just also, Rohan is looking younger and younger. I think this hairstyle suits him
He's
really
looking
well.
younger and younger.
Yeah. Like, for a while, like, he was also letting his grey hair just...
Right.
He was riding with it, and now I think he started dying.
Oh,
all
he
of a
did?
sudden.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Yeah. Also, the hairstyle suits him.
Right, yeah.
Round 1 is a buzz around called True Story, where each question is based on an actual news article. Let's play.
Look, guys, I just want to say it's a true story round. Nowadays, with what's happening in the world, right, it's a really tough time. There's a lot of conflict, there's a lot of war, there's a lot of shortages. And because this round specifically is about true stories, I think we need to start with talking about something very serious, all right? So let's start with Japanese porn. The Japanese porn industry is reportedly facing an unlikely shortage What are they running short on? You have options. Options A, boba tea. Option B, MILFs. Option
I
C,
don't think so.
men. Option D,
Man.
animators. Option E, fluffers.
Okay.
Option F,
Maybe.
What are fluffers?
viewers.
बाद में बोलते हैं.
Or option G, a deep sense of pride and honor.
Don't ask me why I know it.
Okay.
But फ्लफर वो होता है जो शॉट के बीच में काम करता है.
मतलब?
असली अनसंग हीरो जो उन लोग का शूट 2-3 घंटा चलता है
Okay.
और एक इंसान का फिजिकली पॉसिबल नहीं है कि 2-3 घंटे तक
हाँ, okay.
ये रहे तो कोई उसको हेल्प करता रहता है साइड पे. उसको
What?
फ्लफर बोलते हैं.
ये
ये एक जॉब है. सो या
कैसे? Damn, I guess it's required.
या
But one of the weirdest jobs I've ever heard of.
लिफ्ट मैन के बाद यही एनिमेटर्स वो ब्लर करने के लिए I guess.
हाँ, thank you.
What is the Japanese porn industry running short on? Yes, Kanis.
I would like to pick B, MILFs.
Could you explain?
One sec. When you say you want to pick MILFs, you mean?
Like,
Oh, sorry. Okay, that's an answer. Sorry.
Last one.
I too would like. Never mind.
because I'm not getting work in America.
It says MILFs,
Wait, what
not
is the
gilfs.
question? What is the question? What a guilt.
Yeah.
Damn.
What a guilt.
What are gilfs?
What a guilt.
Ask the audience.
What's a guilt?
What are gilfs? What does M in MILF stand for?
Mom.
What comes above?
Grandma. Oh!
Guys, we are not just a game show, an educational show. Also. For all of you to
Exactly.
learn.
None of them knew that.
But Kanis, why do you
Channel-
think MILFs? Huh? Why do you think they're running short on MILFs in Japan?
I was like, if they're running short, I can help them out. If they're running short of that, I thought they're running short of all of them.
Oh, no.
And then I can help with category B.
Yeah.
Thank you, Alex.
I've always said you'd be a great kidnapper.
Sadly, we have one viewer in Japan, but that was a good attempt to get a job, Kanis.
Thank you.
That's the wrong answer.
I have a question.
Yes,
now that
please.
it's a question round.
Yes.
What is a? I know all the other fluffers.
Okay.
I'll tell you why.
Yeah.
I have a feeling
Okay.
that I might be one. Because
Do a cheer. How many of you know what a fluffer is? Okay, so that's a 10% audience.
relatable.
No wonder they're running short. So, knowledge issue. There's a knowledge issue here.
Okay, I will explain to you what a fluffer is. During porn, the guy has to go do a scene.
Yeah.
All right. Now, after scene 1, there is scene 2. Right. But in the middle, you have to stay ready.
Sakti.
Right. So there is one person's job to just keep the guy ready by tickling.
अरे वैसे
The main
बोल
thing
रहे
is
थे कि-
that you don't need a fluffer if you are wearing Dimension Premium innerwear,
Makes no sense for now.
the most comfortable innerwear for men.
Doesn't even make sense.
समय का शो पे चल जाता है जिसपे आई थिंक ड्यूरेक्स और इसका sponsor.
It will keep you. Are you a fluffer, Abish?
Sorry, but just. Dement, if you're watching this right now, you know what a great integration that was?
That was not a good
इसको दो चटिया दिया जाए.
No, Abish, are you a fluffer then?
No, emotionally, I fluffed a lot of friends. I have been like that, yeah. Physically, self-fluffer. Okay, I want to say they're running out of men because I heard somewhere that there's a population decline.
Yeah.
Rohan, what do you think? If not men, then?
What are they running short on? You said MILFs.
I mean, I thought it was because they needed. I was coming from another place.
I think it's not deep sense of pride of honor because, I would have a deep sense of pride and honor.
I mean, you were proud and you felt a lot of honor when you were with
100%.
AIB,
Yeah.
right?
Just sit there and be like,
Same.
who's your shogun?
a good one.
If you have to say it, it's not.
ये वो है जो यार तन्मय की वीडियो में से कट हो जाता जोक.
Thanks, man. What I am currently running short on is a deep sense of pride and honor.
Oh, I think I know what it is.
Yes,
for
Khalid,
it.
you want to take
Oh.
attempt? Yeah, it's okay. You can
Goal
interrupt.
मारने के लिए.
Okay.
Yes, Rohan.
I
Actually, yeah.
I applied oil, but I didn't know they'll invade.
I don't know why your buzzer sounds like every animated creature in Inside Out died at once. Is it the animators?
I had a feeling.
That's a good guess. That's a wrong answer, Rohan. That's
Oh.
a wrong answer. It's not animators. Anybody else want to take a guess? You can
I'm
buzz.
gonna go with boba tea.
Okay.
Because you need a lot of hydration. I don't know yet, but I know but I think.
You know, at your age,
I think you have to you just suck a lot of tea. You have to suck a lot of tea with little balls. Because that's what boba tea is. That's what boba
Yes,
tea is.
100%.
It's little balls. And I think when you're drinking so much, they might run short.
Yeah, that's true. That's a good.
Yeah.
Abhish, why were you relating so much when she said little balls?
He just gets excited every time someone says boba. He just no control.
Okay. Because Kanis said it has balls in it,
Yeah.
I just wanted to say what else has balls in it? Nothing but menswear.
अभीश ने इतना शो होस्ट किया कि उसको लग रहा है इधर भी होस्ट कर रहे हैं.
As I represent who I speak of, I think the answer is they're running short on fluffers.
Ooh.
अरे
That's the wrong answer, Abhish.
मैंने है
There is nothing remaining.
Yeah.
There is
Said
one
fluffers,
remaining.
these-
इसलिए
men.
वो
It's men.
सिर्फ टाइप पास
Men
कर
I
रहा
said.
था.
Oh, you said men.
Because it was logical.
That's the right answer. I missed Abhish saying men. When did you say men?
बोला नहीं
पहले
सही.
तो बोला.
Instant cashback.
Wow, when did you say men? I missed it.
Did he?
He's Catholic. He says it all the time.
I just wanted to say,
Yeah.
Yeah,
Combine
man.
in a long-lasting relationship, it's not the first time I've said something and you haven't heard it.
Oh, I didn't know this was this kind of show.
I will give you more details of this story. In this industry, there are only 70 male porn stars to
What?
10,000 women.
Insane
It
ratio.
is like. It
Why
is
is this-
Haryana's worst nightmare. The number of male porn stars in Japan is less than that of the Bengal tigers.
Okay, it's pretty straightforward. We have to get Dhoni on this. All right, he did wonders for the Tiger.
There are 70 male, 7 for a...
Seven, Thala for a reason. There we go. There we go.
Guys, then why are
Yeah.
we... What are we doing? Cut the...
Yeah.
Guys, we want to immigrate as Indians. Opportunity presents itself.
There we go.
Abhish, good luck.
Yeah. Yes. Abhish will move to Japan and then there will be 70 and a half male porn stars. In Japan. After he moves.
I just love this one. The industry is like a hole in the wall that needs to get bigger. You want to give one more fact? Let's give one more fact. Okay, very interesting article. Okay, I found out that many guys are leaving the industry since they cannot keep up with the hard schedule.
Damn.
Guys, what do you think? What do you think Japanese men need to do to like improve their working conditions? What's happening?
I think they should just make it for Indian passports, visa on arrival. Problem solved. Thailand will have a big issue. But we will find it. And get paid, hopefully.
I agree. They should give like free tourism to male men. Men who are male.
Yes.
To men who are male.
Yes, the men who are
They
male.
should give them like free tours and say, come, over and come. Call back on the side.
Very nice rejected tagline.
Come
Yes.
to Japan.
Come in Japan.
Hey, coming?
Very nice, very nice. Great copywriting by Kanis Surka. Lovely. Huh,
So,
Kanis?
sorry, I had a question about your sponsor.
Yes.
The word mens sounds like menses.
It is German for men.
Oh.
The man. Da means the. And
Yeah.
Mensch is man.
I'm so
The
sorry.
man.
Shit, in Bangalore also they speak German then. I feel like they put the da to it. Meant da, correct. Wow. Yes. I'll take it.
Yes. All right. Let's go to question number 2, guys. Naxalites who've made playing Chupan Chupai their entire personality have surrendered in large numbers over the past year. However, upon surrender, some surprising information came to light about their life in the jungle. What shocking fact did the security forces discover about the Naxalites? Yes,
Oh, shit.
Abish.
Sorry,
No, you
yeah.
can try. You can take.
They found out that the forest land has been sold to Adani.
Funnily enough, that is exactly how Adani gets contracts. Really well done.
All right, on that note, let's go to option A. That their jungle was the one place you got Vodafone signal. Option B. That they had never heard of Arundhati Roy. Option C. That they were annoyed कि ये प्राइम वाले 1500 रुपए लेके भी ऐड दिखाते रहते हैं. Option D. All the men had undergone vasectomy. Or option E. That half of them had previously served in the security forces. Which fact did they discover about the Naxalites that surrendered?
I just want to point out that the Naxalites could go to Japan because they wouldn't get the woman pregnant. They would be a great.
Mind blown.
Thank you. Thank you so
Crazy.
much. They would be a good like.
Yes, interracial is a good category, yes.
For the answer. Sorry, that was just.
No.
And now the answer.
Yeah, you can try.
Yes.
Oh, I just wanted to say that.
Yeah. Kanis is diligent. She's still on the Japan problem. Right?
We've got to fix
Figuring it
it.
out.
We've got to fix it.
No, but you want to take, anybody can buzz and try.
Sorry, I do have the answer.
Okay, yes,
I
please.
think it is number C.
Okay.
Number C.
Yeah. I think it's letter C.
Number C and the letter 3.
Yes, the letter C.
The letter 3. Yes.
They were annoyed कि ये प्राइम वाला 15,000 लेकर भी ऐड दिखता है.
Are you auditioning for the Lagan ka role? Or?
No, Kanis's brain is connected to Vodafone signal.
Kanis, so your option, you're thinking it's C? Yeah, Rohan.
I think the shocking fact is that they had never heard of Arundhati Roy. And then the security forces gave them an Arundhati Roy book, and then they immediately went back into the forest.
That is a good guess. That's the wrong answer, Rohan. That's the wrong answer. That was a very good guess, though. Very good guess. Abhish, why are you dancing?
Because I guessed
You
the
know who is
answer.
the real god of small things? Da Mensch.
Plus 20, yes. Plus 20, yes. Very good, very good. Puneet, happy? Yeah. No, ऐसे नहीं. ये क्या शराबें थोड़ी चल रही हैं? क्या कर रहे हो? घर पे पार्टी नहीं है, शो बना रहे हैं, I'm respectable. Abhish, why were you dancing? Sorry, I
I was
interrupted your
dancing.
train of thought.
I was dancing because I guessed the answer a couple of rounds ago.
Oh.
Okay.
With my Brian.
Oh, yeah.
My Brian says
Fluffers.
it is. It is fluffers. Oh man. I think the answer is E. Number E. Sorry, Kanis.
I agree.
Okay.
I agree, Your Honor.
Okay,
with
you are.
Abish.
Yeah, Rohan, you want to take a guess?
Yes, I'm going to say D. All the men had undergone vasectomy
Why do you say that?
for fun.
It's always funny.
For vibes.
Do every other one.
For
I get
vibes.
that.
I
There's-
feel like there would be a shortage of condoms in the forest. And I mean, the safest thing to do would just be, get a wee snip. Get a little
That's what
snip and
Sanjay Gandhi said. Get
Yes,
a wee.
exactly.
That is the right answer, Rohan. Yeah.
What?
Yes. Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. That's right.
Rohan Joshi, practical
That's
knowledge
right.
paid off.
100%.
Yes, what people didn't know is that they read Arundhati Roy and said, please snip. Sorry, that's not.
Wow.
That's not what happened. So this is what happened. The Naxalites had a rule that they would not have kids. So for every one of the Naxalites, they would call
Wow.
a
Naxalite
doctor.
is average Bandra couple. Got it.
Yes.
Understood.
And also, I thought about this. Also, very strange. If you want your movement to grow, to just not have babies. So maybe that's why they're dying. I don't know.
Kids might not follow in their parents' footsteps, Khamba.
I just want to support Kanis.
Thank
and
you
say
so much.
Kanis's father is a successful doctor.
Yeah.
Yes. Who has performed numerous vasectomies.
Through the eye.
4 of them on me.
We're very close.
On that note, let us move on. No, but I have a question for you because a lot of these Naxalites, they're now surrendering, they're leaving the jungles and now moving to cities. So I have 2 questions for you. Which Indian city do you think they should move to?
Mumbai.
Mumbai? You want them to move to Mumbai?
Yeah.
Why? Once
I
you've lived
think
in the jungle.
DMC's done a good job with trench warfare anyway. So they can hide.
Exactly.
Go back.
Exactly.
We're sorted, guys.
100%.
Good point. That's a good point. That's a good point, Abhish. Very good. They spent their whole life in the jungle, so they could come out and spend 30
Hey, if
minutes
you-
in line for Benedosa.
Yeah.
That sounds. That's a good
Hey, if
idea.
you go for a vasectomy with a friend, is he your vasect homie?
इसके minus 20 करो यार. Minus 20.
We can do
Plus 20, plus 20.
Minus 20.
Minus.
Perfect, homie.
Let us move on to the next question. All right. Move on to the next question. Enough Naxalites. The Taliban, known for shooting their shot and being staunch believers in stag entry, are currently governing Afghanistan. According to their new penal code, which of the following crimes gets a more stringent punishment? Option A, breaking one of your wife's arm, or option B, mistreating a camel.
Mistreating a camel.
Yes, Rohan, you went
Already
first.
some love.
Option C, introducing people to Arundhati Roy. The real issue.
They don't allow books.
Oh, correct,
They don't
correct.
allow books.
Yes. Kanis, you had gone next, sorry.
No, I hadn't.
You hadn't? Okay, sorry. Yes.
Sorry, it's
Taliban won't allow also.
I had a question.
Just remembered. Just remembered. Sorry. Yes, Abhish.
I had a question to the people who framed it. The question is to you. You say option number 1 is breaking one of your wife's arms. So do you mean one of the wife's arms or your wife's one of the arms? Or is it a permutation combination? What's the...
Abhish, how does that affect the answer?
because I personally have had 2 wives now. So I just want to clarify what
Simon-
is going on.
No, not one at a time.
I don't fair. That's fair.
Simultaneously?
No.
Okay, just checking.
It's only two. Only two.
Yes, yes.
Oh.
So far, questions have been Japanese porn stars,
Sure.
Naxalites,
Yeah,
and Taliban.
and Taliban,
Okay.
okay.
Great blunt rotation. 10 or 10.
Okay.
See, I am a racist. So my
It's the fundamental basis of our friendship.
So you know my answer. My answer is gonna be B.
That's the right answer, Abish. That's the right answer. Yes.
There we go.
Wow.
There we go.
The obvious one.
No, don't dance. The Taliban doesn't allow.
Was that was it the animal? Camel?
Yes.
No, it's a camel pencil. Like, you break a camel pencil.
That's
come
what
down
you're
like-
gonna do that.
Why you have pencil?
Exactly. I'm
Why
just
are you
checking.
writing?
It could be a cigarette.
Straight up.
Could be a pencil. Next time, just write, huh?
No, you get 5 months for mistreating a camel and 2 weeks for breaking your wife's arm. All right, our next question, our last question of the first round. All right, let's show the question. This is a slightly different one. The one place where you can see stars despite high AQI is the South film industry, where big name actors often go by their fan-given monikers. All right?
Okay.
For example, Ram Charan is popularly known as Mega Power Star.
That's cool.
Right? I'm going to give you multiple options.
Okay.
Every right answer you get, you will get 10 points. You have to be very quick and guess the titles of the following stars.
Got it.
All right, let's go. Option A, Prabhas. What's his title?
Oh.
Quickly.
Rising Star.
Quickly. Yes, Avish.
Mr.
That's the wrong answer. Anybody else want to take a guess? What star is he?
Living legend, superstar.
That's the wrong answer.
Amit.
Amit Prabhat.
Let's move on to the next person. That's the wrong answer.
Next one, okay.
We should reveal the answer.
What is the
Yes,
answer?
the right answer is Rebel
Rebel Star.
All right.
I thought that is Naxalite.
Sir, we love RRR. It was not a joke on you. It was a Naxal joke.
He was not in
He was
RRR.
not in RRR.
He was in.
I
Yeah.
meant Bahubali, sir. I meant Bahubali. I mistook it. I thought of Rajamouli, sir. Next person. You have to guess Allu
Swiftly
Arjun's
moving.
name.
Allu Arjun.
Yes.
Allu Arjun.
Super duper.
You said his name.
Hey, nahi, yaar, that's right. No.
20
Plus 10, plus 10.
Plus
That's
10.
what you asked. That's what you asked. Plus 10.
Okay, fine. Let's move on.
He's given me
The right
500
answer-
rupees.
Yes, let's
Mega
move on. The right
superstar.
answer is actually Stylish Star. Stylish Star is his title. All right, let's go to next option. Twinkle, twinkle. Yes.
Let's go.
Little Star.
Yes, bro. All right, next option. Salman Khan. Yes,
Road
Kabir.
Rage Star.
Why is a star? Because he lives in a galaxy.
I will give you. That's not the right title.
okay.
That's
Okay.
not the right title.
I got.
Yes.
Muslim star.
It's pronounced Michelin star.
You know what's nice?
Oh man.
सिंगल हैंडेडली नोट के वजह से कोविड चालू होने वाला है वापस.
Samba, isn't it nice when you know someone else will go to jail? It's such a good feeling.
All right. Anybody want to take a guess or should we move on? Yes, Rohan.
भाग बहुत रास्ता क्रॉस कर.
Let's move on. We have plus 20 though.
What is the
They do
answer?
plus 20.
Reveal the answer.
The right answer is Shooting Star. Okay, let's
Obviously. Sheesh, कैसे
move
रहे
on. Next option.
ताज पैलेस.
What is the title? Yes.
7 star.
No. Close enough.
5 star.
Yes, Kareem got it.
5 star.
Yes. Next option. Yes.
5 star.
Yeah. But Kareem got it first. Kareem got it first. Kareem got it first.
Give him.
All right.
Shame, he's
Last
shot.
option.
He's shot.
Last option.
He's shot. Give him.
क्या हुआ?
No, I just said give him the answer. He's shot.
Okay.
Sorry.
Last option.
Cutie star.
Yeah.
All right, guys, last option in this round.
I know
and
it, I
that
know
is
it,
the
I
end
know
of
it.
round 1. Yes, last option.
Oh,
Geo Hotstar.
Yes, right.
Damn.
Yes.
What the hell's going on?
We all did it.
Yes, we all did it. And with that, we come to the end of round 1. अमन की फटी हुई अमन लैपटॉप दे दिया है, कुछ नहीं होता. कर ले.
Time लगता है भाई, please.
Time लगता है. All right. Aman Jotwani at the end
Aman
of
मुझसे
round
कर.
1. What is everyone's point?
I think ये craziest रहेगा. इतना points I think.
नहीं,
इस
आई
race
थिंक
में-
लास्ट वाले में ज्यादा था. ये
ज्यादा
तो उसमें तो ये बहुत लंबा चला हर एक.
हाँ
आई थिंक ये फर्स्ट पार्ट आई थिंक सबसे लंबा चला रहेगा
हाँ.
आज तक का.
हाँ.
बट आई थिंक लास्ट वाले में जोक्स बेटर थे, लाइक
अच्छा, हाँ.
स्टार्टिंग में एटलीस्ट.
Hmm.
आई वुड स्टिल से 200 और 100 के बीच में रहेगा.
Really?
हाँ.
हाँ.
ये
Tally. Let us go.
God, mine.
Before we announce the scores, I
yeah.
want to ask the audience a question.
Maybe.
How many of you think Abish is going to win today?
ये क्या चल रहा है? ये क्या चल रहा है?
How many? Shouting is also fine. I was expecting a hand raise. How many of you think Kanis is going to win today?
सब रोहन के लिए. Let's go.
That should be the tagline for Japan. That right there.
I can see my points. Nothing.
Let's add.
And how many of you think Rohan Joshi is going to win? Now that I've bought enough time, it's time to
Thank
announce.
you.
All right, Aman, at the end of round 1, what is everyone's points tally?
Kanis is at 220 points.
Very good.
अभी से रोहन either one will
Wow,
get
nice.
300 or something.
Abish is next at 300 points.
It's crazy.
And Rohan Joshi is at 420 points.
That's okay. I take it back.
420.
ये कोई गेम का
was
फाइनल
fated.
स्कोर होता था.
Of course, Rohan is at 420. All right. Of course. All right, are you guys ready to play the audience round? Okay. Now, for the audience, this is the question that you have to guess. It's going to come to our screen, okay? Haldiram's proprietor Prabhu Shankar Agarwal was arrested in 2005 for allegedly committing a heinous crime. What crime was he accused of committing? Option A, not giving extra bhatura.
ऐसे भी प्रेम.
Option B, for selling the obscenely named tasty nuts. For option C, for putting ilaichi in biryani. Or option D, murder. All right. Anybody
Murder
else want to take a guess? Who wants to
चलता है.
guess from the audience?
बाकी
Yes.
सब.
All right. Can I get your name first?
Jeet.
I'll ask you and do for camera properly. Okay.
Can you pick
Hi.
another name?
Hi, audience member. What is your name?
Jeet.
How awesome would it be if the person behind him is called Dar? How absolutely awesome would that be?
Okay, Jeet, who cannot put a sentence together. What do you think is the right answer?
Murder.
Murder is the right answer. Yes, Jeet, yes. Come on stage. Come.
Not as serious
Jeet,
as all the other ones.
As everybody now knows, he's a Haldiram connoisseur. All right.
I'm a Marwadi, so yeah.
Of course, yes, of course. Goes without saying. Now, Jeet. This is what will happen now, okay? First, before we move on, you have to select one person for who you want to play.
Abish.
You want to play for Abish? Yes.
I just want to say hi to you, buddy.
They were sleep. Nice. Abish very sleep, but this guy.
You know, that's what Marwadis need. More money.
All right. Now that you are playing for Abish, there are these 3 boxes, all right?
Okay.
From here, you have to pick one of the boxes. In any of the 3 boxes, we don't know what it is. One of them has positive points, one of them have negative points, and the third one has money. All right? So, which box would you like to choose?
Second one.
The middle one, you mean?
Funny if it's
All
money.
right.
Are you
Abhi
sure?
घुमाने वाला है.
Yes.
So,
Okay. I'm gonna do the move.
All right.
Why do they even ask at the first one?
All right. Hold on. There's a twist. So now the box is here. Do you still want to go with this box?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
All right.
All right.
इसका मतलब ही क्या होता है क्या?
All right.
से उन लोगों को सिर्फ सेगमेंट थोड़ा लंबा रखना
पैसे वापस.
ये पैसे भी देंगे पैसे. हम मत देना पैसे. नहीं वो हेलो बोलने हैं. Jeet, you have fucked up Avish Matthews' points. But for your effort, we are going to give you Shagan ka lifafa from Damensh. Wow, baby. This is worth 5,100 Damensh currency. You can redeem that on Damensh.com on the website and try any of the products. All right? And thank you for ruining Abhishek's points. I appreciate you guys. Congratulations. Thank you very much.
Jeet, thank you.
Thank you.
so much.
Thank you, man.
Thanks, Prasad.
Jeet,
Thank you.
You're the man.
But thank you. I thank you also.
Jeet, you're the man.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Just do
Fans, I tell you, gotta love them. No matter how much damage it happens.
All right. At the end of the audience round, Aman, let us look at what the scores are again.
So, such a perfect thing has happened because Abhish got 20 points for getting an applause,
Yes.
but then minus 100 happened.
Yes.
So he is exactly tied with Kanis at 220.
right.
How you expect this competition?
Yeah, cinematic.
And Joshi got plus 20 for getting an applause, so he's at 440.
Damn, double.
All right.
You're on a roll.
Now let us move on to round two. Are you guys ready to play round two?
Round 2 is called Pick Me Behavior.
एक वे आई थिंक हारा रहेगा एक दो में, बट आई थिंक रोहन जोशी कोई भी आई थिंक क्विज, मैंने बहुत टाइम से केवी वाला देखा नहीं, बट हमेशा जीता ऑलमोस्ट
क्विज वाला.
क्विज भी है.
बट ये वाला थोड़ा डिफरेंट.
आई नो, बट वो फनी भी है. सो
Each contestant gets to pick a category on which they'll be asked a question. Let's play.
All right, round two is called Pick Me Behavior. Guys, we're going to show you 9 categories.
I can win at
You have
this.
to pick one. Plus 22 Kanis, yes. Let us show you today's 9 categories, all right, for Pick Me Behavior. Your categories
for
are
sure one.
Mother
hey.
छोटी बच्ची
क्या
हो
बोला
गया। AIB ये तो टट्टी है. Barbecue Nation, Home Alone,
Yes.
Mia Khalifa,
I got this.
Mera number 1,
I got this.
and Modi ji. All right.
Finally
Rohan,
बचा लिया
you are in the
last
lead. You
में
get to
आके.
pick the category first. Which category would you like to pick?
I mean, you know, as mother, because it's
All
right there.
All right. Rohan has picked Mother. तू होगा Mother. चलो तू गाली दे रहा है.
परफेक्ट. 420 पे वापस लेके आ गया.
शो में आके गाली दे रहे हो. Disgusting, Rohan.
You know what? Jeet, mother.
-20.
आज ही एक पोस्ट देगा जिसमें वो सुनील भाई वो छोड़ेगा ही नहीं लगता है एंड तक. बोलता है मैं समय रहने को तभी माफ करूंगा जब भी वो पैनल पे अपने मॉम डैड को बिठाएगा.
क्या? What? वो हाँ भाई मत माफ करना, समय वेट कर रहा था ना माफी का. सो
All right, let us move on to category 2. It is now, who do we go with? Let's go get Kanis to go first, yeah, because you're tied. Kanis, which category would you like to pick?
Modi ji, please. Modi ji, please.
Okay. All right. All right.
Salam.
Yeah. नहीं, namaste.
नमस्ते.
नहीं,
वो तो नहीं.
All right. Kanis
अच्छा वो
has
फ्लावर
chosen
बना रहे हैं.
Modi ji. Nirav Modi is an acclaimed fugitive and jewelry businessman who fled to the UK. UK is also the abbreviation used for vehicles belonging to Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand is an Indian state also known as Devbhoomi. Bhumi Pednekar made her debut with Bollywood actor Ayushmann Khurrana. Speaking of Khurrana, it rhymes with the word Purana.
Yeah.
Speaking of Purana, have you heard of this old band called Beatles?
Okay.
Beetle is also the name of a famous car designed by Volkswagen. Volkswagen is an iconic German automobile company known for making the most comfortable cars.
जर्मन
किधर जा रहा है? हिटलर तक पहुंचा रहा है. I think
This
हिटलर
is
जा
like
रहा है.
watching Baba Sehgal write rap.
The question is, which iconic Indian company has a German name and is known for making the most comfortable innerwear for men? It's still Kanis's turn. Yes, Kanis.
I would like to go with the answer. The Mensch.
Yes.
ये क्या था?
Trusted by Germans everywhere.
Yes.
I would like to go for my childhood.
Okay.
Home Alone. And I'm
I
not
thought you were going to say Mia Khalifa.